First things first, drive to a hoist to change your brakes. Got the brakes on Auto Pro, there they are. First up, opening the reservoir there, getting up on the hoist, so easy. Take that wheel off. Once that's off, you can start undoing the caliper bolts. And I set my caliper up, or you can tie it up on something else. As you can see, those pads are stuffed. And these ones go back in. It took me a few goes to actually get these in. And once you got the first pad in, spend about 10 minutes looking for the second pad to find it. Oh, it's on the drop saw. Now we can put that second one in. Yeah, they're fucked. Now we'll go over to the other side and do it 3 more times. And yeah, picked up my wheel from Siberia corner, went on to do the rears. Same process, undo the caliper, lift it up. There's no strap to rest it on this time, so I cable tied it up. Pull the pads out, squeeze those calipers back in, and we're done. A couple of things for next time I'm going to change are those bump stops. They are bad, aren't they? If they're even existent, and probably that centre bearing. Let's take this thing for a test drive. Yep, she works.